Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Yay, are you popping? You guys are always popping. If you're on this channel, you're a popping gang. Love you guys so much. Thank you all for the love, the support, the encouragement, the prayers. Guys, I cannot thank you enough, and this video is for you. Okay, it's been a while that I did makeup on this face. So today I'm gonna be popping. Guys, actually today I'm doing a photo shoot. Okay, so yes, in case you don't know, my husband is a videographer, photographer, events. He does cover events. So if you're in London, UK, he can travel as well. If you want to book him for video coverage, photo coverage, anything, photo shoot, okay? His detail is going to be down below at Konji Ola Production. I'm going to get on with the makeup because I'm going to have my photo shoot after. So I want to hurry up because if I don't hurry up, I'm not going to have this shoot. It takes a long time to actually even take one picture. We are going to get into this makeup application for this photo shoot. I don't even know the hair I'll be wearing. I don't even know. I have a lot of hair. A lot. Let's get started. I like to have this matte look when I'm doing photo shoot because when you have matte face, it does photograph really well. So I've got my PJ. I did my brows this morning, guys, with a razor. You know, guys, I love to use razor. I know it seems like I don't have a lot of foundation, but I do have a lot of foundation. I just don't use it. I think I have 3 of MUA. So when I buy foundation, I just buy very light, very dark, and in between. 2 in between to the light and to the dark. Some pictures. Guys, you know, when I do my makeup, I like to keep it as simple as I can because I don't want to do a lot of full coverage or doing a lot of those kind of baking, too much of that, the same process that I do on my clients or my models. So when I do my makeup, I try to do it a little bit different. Okay, so I'm going to be doing my makeup a little bit different. So first of all, let's use this from Fenty Beauty Primer Pro Filter Primer. Let's put this up like so we can walk. Apply that and rub it in. I already applied my primer. Let's put this away. So now it's time to apply my foundation. I'm using 330 Fenty Beauty and I'm going to use Beauty Blender. I'm going to pack it on because I want this face to be covered to the gods. Pack it on, girl. I always feel like 330 has more yellow than neutral. Did you see that? It has more yellow. So this is why I like my MAC NC42. It doesn't give me this kind of yellow. It gives me more neutral than yellow. NC42. The reason why I'm using this flat powder brush is because I want full coverage. This one is Morphe Y9. Y9. Who's that girl? The girl have already set her foundation with MAC NC42. I'm going to use banana powder just to apply that under my eyes. So this is it. Now I'm going to contour, go more darker. I'm going to use NW45. I'm supposed to use NC45 though. But let me use NW and see how that will look. Because it's photography. You want it to actually pop. Okay, I might start with the darker one here. I'll go with the NC because you don't want it to be as dark as the top. NC. Yes, NC45. My face is snatched, snatched, snatched. Yes. Low. Yes, so guys, as you can tell, cheekbone. Let's contour our forehead. I'm gonna use this blush just because I love this blush, Rimmel. I'm gonna use this one here, this color here, okay? Like so. Your girl is gonna be using Fenty Beauty. This Fenty Beauty is called Caramel Cutie Pie. If you're doing photo shoot, yeah, it's always best to start with neutral colors, yeah, and then you can build it up. Because if I apply pink now and I start my photo shoot, for me to go back to brown, it's gonna be difficult. So I'm gonna start with browns, building it up little by little. Then I go pink, maybe purple or any other color. I don't even know, but yeah, brown is always safe. It's always safe to start with a brown. So that's why I'm using that Fenty Beauty. I'm gonna use this brush, blending brush, and pack it on. I'm gonna apply that on my lower lash line. This powder, this is from collection from Superdrugs, okay? Let's use that. Guys, look at that, flawless. This powder is actually good. Collection it's from Superdrugs. Very cheap. One of those drugstore powders. They have darker colors as well. It's supposed to be a setting powder, but it's very light. I'm gonna go back and contour my nose. So now I'm gonna apply highlighter under my brows, cheek, cupid bow. Highlighter broke. I just don't know. There's something about this highlighter, oh darling, always break. Even the one in my kit has broke. Don't know why, but yeah, oh darling, I love it. Love, love, love it. So you need glow in your life when you're taking picture, but matte face as well. Glow in the right places. Same brush that I use for the blush, I'm gonna use it over like so. Okay, girl. Woo. Wow, girl, yeah. Highlight the tip of your nose. Woo. Yep. And let me use this pink lip gloss because it's one of my favorite NYS. I'm gonna do the brows first before I apply lashes. I'm using a very small lashes. Very small because I don't want to be like that. Especially guys, if you're like me, don't like a lot of long lashes. So I'm gonna do my brows now. Rimmel brow pencil, dark brown. Now guys, I cannot talk to you people. When I'm doing brows, I don't want to talk. So see you when I finish. Oh wow, it's looking good. Now the top. That's not bad at all. But it seems like this is bigger than this one, so let's increase this one a little bit. Yep. Yes, girl. You are popping. Now I'm going to use this brow pen for the beginning. Translucent powder, the collection powder. Yeah, so that's it, guys. Everything is not all about using concealer on the brows. Concealer, you better learn how to do your brows without concealer, because if you go and do Beyonce's makeup and you bring your concealer, you want to start tracing her brush, you're gonna be like, what? I don't want my makeup like that. Better learn how to do your brows without concealer like this. Smashbox mascara. Guys, this is why I don't use lashes sometimes, because look, makeup is already popping. Sometimes you don't need lashes as well. I'm just gonna do lashes because I'm doing photo shoot. Chi Chi, why so fine? Wow, Chi Chi, you're so cute. You were slaying to the girls. Yeah, highlight the inner corner of my eye so I can glow. Let's see. Yeah. Yeah, so guys, that's the finished look. I'm gonna wear my wig, but I'm not gonna wear my wig now because I don't even know the wig I'm wearing first. Depending on the outfit I'm gonna wear first. Maybe I should just wear my bob, short bob. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Okay? Try to recreate this look. This is the kind of look you can wear anywhere. You can wear this look to go and see the queen, the king. You know, even the pastor will approve this kind of makeup, okay? Your mom that doesn't like makeup, she will love this one. Also, guys, do not forget, I am popping. Buy your phone case to support your sister, okay? Also, I have an online beauty agency. If you're having a photo shoot, video shoot, group booking, I can provide you with beauticians, okay? Bye for now. Do not forget, all my details is gonna be in the description box. So yeah, I'm gonna go and start my photo shoot now. I'm so excited. Woo! Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Popping! I am popping.